If I had only one word to describe my experience here in France, it would be amazing.
Enlightenment.
Phenomenal.
Re-energizing. Connection. Exceptional.
Awesome.
It was fabulous, of course. This is France. How could it not be?
First of all, welcome. Bienvenue, which is just how you say welcome in French. And I just want to say thank you to each of you. Honestly, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can't possibly express how much it means to me, Marine, my parents, who I'll introduce shortly, Lisa and Ine, Keith. The fact you guys are here, it's just amazing. You gotta look forward, you gotta look up. You gotta embrace the future, because you can and will change where you are and what you have in your life.
When I started working with Dreamfirms, I literally didn't know how to even start a business. I had zero marketing. I wasn't doing any lead generation. Therefore, my sales were very, very minimal.
Working with Dreamfirms has really helped us focus our attention on where we need to go, where we want to go, and more importantly, how best to get there.
You know, everything that we've learned and everything that I'm going to implement, I highly believe will make my firm very successful in the short term.
The things that I've learned in this mastermind, I will be able to take back immediately and use those tools to better organize our company.
De ce bâtiment a été sans doute représenté